Taste me. Very good.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today
We are going to make a
the
Krispies bar.
yeah.
And it's good for the kids. Okay, that's so funny. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, see you guys. Let's go. And of course, you will need a Rice Krispies cereal. That's the one I'm going to use. And then butter, a marshmallow, and of course a pan. Put it in after. This is a very simple bars that you can make with your kids. Let's go. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the microwave. So first, I have only here the butter, and then I'm going to add a marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
And then I'm just using microwave to melt it. Yep. I'm using this marshmallow because this is the one that available that I have right now. But most of the bars, I think they are using the white one. Okay, so let's go. We're going to microwave. So there is the butter already inside, and then the marshmallow. So microwave for 2 minutes. We'll try it. Now we check. Oh, that's already melted. There you go.
Marshmallow.
Yep, the marshmallow is melted.
It's just a pink.
This is
Yeah, that's a very good color.
Yep. Now Jen is helping me. This one we need 6 cups.
6 cups.
One, no, 1,
And 2.
2,
And 4.
4. Now just mix it. So there you go. We are done. We are only like putting it. Yeah. So
That's great.
yeah.
That's before.
That's right. Now we're ready. Just wait for it to cool down. Using parchment paper to press it.
Yeah, the plus it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very hot.
Go press. Yeah.
Okay, I'm on it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, red. There's a red on it. Press it. Then make a shape. It's trying.
So here's it, guys. So I use all this part. I just want to like make it sure that we are even. And now it's ready to go.
Oh, wow.
Now
Oh,
it's
no,
ready
no,
for
no.
Tian to eat.
Yeah.
You just get a slice, okay?
It's cool.
How is it?
Good.
Good. How is it?
Good.
It's good?
Mhm.
You like it? Yeah. What do you say? Thank you
Thank you.
everyone for watching.
Thank you for everything my watching.
Please
Don't forget to like and ring the bell and to subscribe and ring the bell. Always remember, Jesus loves you. Bye. God bless.